Hey y'all, so I look a mess, so just disregard that. But today I have a task. I need to fix, or not really fix, but I need to make another vanity mirror, but it's not really a vanity mirror because it's not for a vanity per se. I just have it on the wall and I need some light on it because that's where I take my pictures. The other mirror that I have, which is this mirror right here, this is the mirror that I want to put lights around, because as you can see, it gets really dark around the feet area, and when I post my pictures, like, you can see my outfit, but it's not the clearest, and I don't really like that because it's really dark around the feet area, and I want you to see my shoes just as much as everything else. So I need to go get some more of these lights. I'm gonna look in the Dollar Tree, even though honestly these lights aren't giving off enough light. I don't know, maybe the batteries need to be changing them, I don't know. So that's what we're doing today, y'all. We about to go. Let me turn this TV off and let's hit it. Period. Okay, y'all, let's go to the Dollar Tree. Off we go. Let me see if my phone will act right. I look so busted right now because I was in the house. Is that good, y'all? I need to get a thing, child. And the way this camera is set up, like, my camera will go like right out the damn window if I play too much. If I play too much in this car, the camera will go right out the damn window. Oh my God. I can't get no better than this, y'all. I can't get no better. No more better. I can't get no more better than this. My phone still say no service. That's crazy. And that's facts. He put too much chocolate in there, but I deal with it. Do they got orange? No. But they got green now. I don't want that green though. Like a bright green. I do need this mountain tape. I am gonna need this mountain tape. So I'm gonna get that. Now let me see if they got it. This Dollar Tree be tripping. And no, they don't have anything that I need. So this is a fail. They got these ones, but I don't really like these ones. To be I got last time. They got these spotlight ones that clip onto the mirror. I wonder if that will work. I'm gonna try these. AA or AAA? Which stage? AA. Let's get some AA batteries. These are the ones that come with them. I got 2 of those. How many is it? Well, okay. We're out of the thrift store. But that's how often I go to the thrift store. We're out of the Dollar Tree, and of course that Dollar Tree that I went to, they never have what I need. I don't even know why I chose that Dollar Tree, but I did, so I paid the price. But I ended up getting the camping lights, which the camping lights, I used the camping lights before, but they're just not aesthetically pleasing, so that's why I didn't want to use the camping lights. But it's cool. I use the camping lights. I'm gonna see if these camping lights, I couldn't remember if the camping lights are giving off more light than, if the camping lights are giving off more light than the little click on, tap on light. So I'm gonna try the camping lights out and see if they work. Just let me do what? Why? Go that? Oh, okay. So you see how dark this area is? This is the area that I'm trying to light up because it's so dark, even in broad daylight. Because it's, what time it is, babe? 5 o'clock? It's 5 o'clock, 6:42, and it's so dark in this corner. So this is before I turn the, let me see. Let me close this door so you can see how dark it is. This is before I cut on, well, there's a light in this hallway, but this is before I cut on the lights that's up top. Okay, so I cut on the lights up top and it makes a difference, but not enough. So I'm gonna add these 3 lights, which I thought I had 4, but I'm gonna add these 3 lights to see if they make a difference. So, which I honestly think I got it low. Okay, so it made a difference, but let's see how some pictures come out. Okay, it did make a difference. So, yeah. We in business. It made a difference. Okay. So you could actually see what color my shoes are and everything else. I probably would get 2 more though. I think this needs 2 more. Okay, so I went later today and bought some more lights from the Dollar Tree. I didn't turn those on. These ones I got up here. I could though. But anyway. And this is how bright the area is. Y'all forgive me and how I'm dressed. This is later on in the night after I done took a bath and stuff. But anyway, as you can see, it's giving off much more light, and you can actually see what I actually have on. So this definitely did brighten up the area. Let me show y'all how bright it is. It is like so bright in this corner. So yeah, this really did work. So I thought the Dollar Tree lights wasn't gonna give me enough lighting, but it did. So if you guys like this idea, of course you can buy more powerful lights from Home Depot or even go on Amazon. But these from the Dollar Tree, these camping lights from the Dollar Tree, they work for now. I mean, I already done did this before, but I just wanted to see if it would actually bright up a dark area, and it did, because I don't even have on the light up here. So this is what this light that this is giving off is completely from these Dollar Tree lights. So yeah, this really does look good. And yeah, this was a good purchase.